All right, let's continue making some connections that in the end are going to make your life a little bit easier. We just saw that point slope form is really a nice way to write an equation of a line without doing a lot of work. But here's the official definition of slope intercept form. Given a slope m of a line and a y-intercept 0, b, the equation that graphs the line can be written as y equals mx plus b. Now again, this is abstract because it's a definition. But we know m is going to be the slope, that's going to be some value, and this b is going to have some value to it, and that's the y-intercept which goes right there. So let's see an example of where we would use slope-intercept form instead of point-slope form. Given this graph, which is pictured at the right, let's write the equation of the line. Well, the first thing that I notice is that they gave me a y-intercept here of 0, -4. That's kind of nice. In order to write this equation, though, as always, I need to calculate the slope. Now, I could either use the slope formula, or in this case, because they gave me a graph, I can just count the rise over run. So from this point right here, 0, -4, I'm going up 1, and then over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I can see that my slope is going to be 1/6. If you're more comfortable using the slope formula, you can go ahead and use the slope formula as well. They gave me a y-intercept. The y-intercept is 0, -4, and that's all I need. I'm ready to write this equation. The equation is going to be y equals 1/6 x, there's my slope, mx, minus 4. There's my y-intercept. And that's going to be the equation that graphs that line. So let's just do a quick summary of what we just learned over the last two videos. There are two forms of linear equations. And depending on your situation, each form is going to have its advantages over the other one. The point slope form is y equals m times x minus x1 plus y1. The slope intercept form is y equals mx plus b. They each have benefits depending on the situation that you're in. So you're going to have to make a decision as to which one you want to use and why you want to use it. So if you're given a slope, or you can calculate a slope, and you're also given a point that the line passes through, then it makes sense to use point slope form. And the point slope form is this right here. On the other hand, if you're given, or you can calculate a slope, and they also give you a y-intercept, then you probably want to use slope-intercept form, which is y equals mx plus b. And that's how these two equations work.